In this video you'll discover exactly how to get auto insurance for a new car. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. If you've just purchased a shiny new car and are wondering how to get the right auto insurance coverage, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of getting auto insurance for your new ride. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Research and compare. The first step in getting auto insurance for your new car is to do some research and compare different insurance providers. Look for companies with a good reputation, affordable rates, and excellent customer service. There are many online tools and comparison websites that can help you easily compare quotes from multiple insurers. Step 2. Determine your coverage needs. Now that you have a list of potential insurance providers, it's time to determine your coverage needs. Consider factors like your driving habits, the value of your new car, your budget, and any legal requirements in your area. Common types of coverage include liability, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Step 3. Gather information. Once you've decided on the coverage you need, gather all the necessary information. This typically includes your personal details, driver's license information, vehicle information, and any relevant documents like your car's title or loan information. Step 4. Get quotes. Now, it's time to start getting quotes from the insurance companies you researched earlier. You can usually do this online or by calling their customer service. Make sure you provide accurate information to get the most accurate quotes. Step 5. Review and compare quotes. After receiving quotes from different insurers, take some time to review and compare them. Look not only at the price, but also at the coverage limits, deductibles, and any additional benefits or discounts they may offer. Step 6. Ask about discounts. Many insurance companies offer various discounts that can help you save money. These could include safe driver discounts, bundling discounts if you have other policies with the same company, or discounts for safety features in your new car. Don't hesitate to ask about these opportunities. Step 7. Finalize your policy. Once you've chosen an insurance provider and a policy that suits your needs, it's time to finalize the process. You'll typically need to sign some paperwork and make your first payment. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions before signing. Step 8. Proof of insurance. Congratulations, you're now officially insured. Your insurance provider will provide you with a proof of insurance document. This is important to keep in your car at all times, as you'll need it if you're ever pulled over or involved in an accident. Conclusion. And there you have it, a guide on how to get auto insurance for your new car. Remember, taking the time to research, compare, and choose the right coverage can give you peace of mind while you hit the road in your brand new ride. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.